Are you looking for a way to show your forms as a pop-up page? Then watch this tutorial to the end and start creating your own pop-up forms on Forms app. First, open Forms app and create your form. For this video, we will be using a template to create a newsletter sign-up form. Once your form is ready, simply go to the Share panel and choose Pop-up under the embedding options. Here, you can adjust your pop-up page settings and see the live preview of your form. For instance, you can adjust the pop-up size, overlay density, and color, or choose how you want your form to be opened. Your visitors can trigger your form by clicking the button, or you can show it automatically on page load or after a set time. Lastly, you can select an opening animation for your form and click on Get the Code. That's all! You can use this code to embed your form on a web page and enjoy collecting data with no effort. Pop-up forms are great for many purposes, from collecting feedback to registering members. Plus, you have more embedding options to try on Forms app. Make sure to watch our other tutorials to learn more about embedding and using your online forms in the best way possible.